Hi everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Arichan. In this video, I'm going to be going through making the coat that I'm currently wearing. You can see in the last video, I drew lines to outline where I wanted to cut, and it worked out pretty well. I got a little bit of adjustment there. The color is way too high, oh my god. Okay, yeah, you can see the cut on the outlines there. Yeah, now I'm fixing up that collar, make it look, you can see, because I cut it, it kind of looks like little bits of folding in the corner there, in the top screen. So I think it looks pretty good. Now I'm coloring the belt because they didn't have stainless steel in Bloodborne. They only had grey and other grey and gold sometimes. Very grey game. I'm doing the sleeves because I didn't have sleeves on my shirt. Looking pretty good, looking pretty nice. Now I want to give my jacket a little bit more 3D volume. So I'm adding in some folds, but they won't actually be folds. You can see it on my avatar now. And then now I'm adding a little bit of shadow around the collar. Gives it that depth. Makes it really feel like it's sitting on top and not just a flat texture. Now it looks a little bit funny, but because I did it as a different layer, I can stretch it and move it anywhere that I want. So I'm just stretching it, having a play, expanding it out until it looks about right. Now I sped up this footage a lot so you don't have to watch me. And then I mirror it on the other side. You could probably do the whole thing mirrored, but I didn't have to do too much mirroring, so it wasn't so bad. Alright, there we go. Now I did sort of like a double collar, because I see that sometimes on trench coats they have like a collar sitting on top of a collar. Yeah, and I think that looks pretty good. So it's a little bit too green, I think. A little bit too green. So I'm going to apply some straps, I think, and maybe tweak the green, make it a little less green. Here I'm putting in some buttons, give it a little bit of extra flavor. I went with gold buttons because again, gives it that sort of old-timey feel, and the green makes it a little bit spooky. Yeah, now you can see I'm doing the straps, but I was gonna put it on the vest, but the vest didn't really look very good. So yeah, I decided I'd put it on the sleeves, and it turned out really, really good. I was so happy with it. So look here, I matched the color really nicely, and then I cut off the sides, and I used the burn. I don't know if you guys know the burn in GIMP and in Photoshop, but it's this really nice shadowing system. It lets you really make it feel like it's curved around the object. So definitely recommend trying out burn. Very cool. Yeah, so now you can see I have these super cool leather straps. So if I do a wave, you can kind of see. Let me see if I can give you a better look. Now I'm changing the color in my hair. You can see here I have those leather straps on my arms. Now I do this beautiful hair color, but I still got that green tint. I really want to make that into a red tint, and I still have my blue eyebrows, which isn't very Halloween. So I got these beautiful white eyebrows, a little bit boring, so I gave it some cool shadows. And I look cool. Nice eyebrows, cool. You can see my eyebrow. Yeah, beautiful eyebrows. Okay, I think that's about it for the thing, for the changing the texture. Almost ready. Next video will be on the hat. So now I think it's down to doing some photo shoot. I think that's what's next. You can see here I got this beautiful photo. I did this all in V-Roid. Again, I use V-Roid. You can do this cool blurring in V-Roid, and it's different colored lights. I think it looks so cool and spooky. Look at that one. I love it. Freaking love it. So good. Alright, thank you everyone. It was a great video. I hope it helped. And Arichan out.